5 amazing health benefits of sea kale. Some of the health benefits of sea kale includes its ability to regulate hormonal activity in the body, boost the immune system, prevent scurvy, boost the metabolism, help with the weight gain, maintain the health and functionality of the kidney, and improve digestive process. Sea kale is a plant that is often overlooked because its land-based sibling, kale. It often gets more attention. Kale is one of the more popular up-and-coming figures in the vegetable world. First, digestive health. Like other members of Brassicaceae family, sea kale contains a high content of dietary fibers, making it very beneficial for digestion. Fiber helps to bulk up the stool and move it through the digestive tract, thereby eliminating the common issues such as constipation, bloating, cramping, excessive gas, and even diarrhea. Second, diuretic properties. The mineral content of sea kale as well as its metabolic stimulating properties provide this interesting vegetable with certain diuretic properties, which means that it stimulates urination. This promotes the flushing of toxins from the body because the kidneys are unable to work at more functional level. Third, immune system health. Sea kale is found to have a very high level of vitamin C. Ascorbic acid is one of the most essential vitamins in the human body and can stimulate the immune system to increase its production of white blood cells. Therefore, sea kale can optimize your immune system and help you defend against everything from a common cold to preventing of cancer, thanks to antioxidant activities of the vitamin C's. Fourth, hormone regulation. Iodine is one of the most undervalued yet essential mineral for human health. Without iodine, the thyroid gland would be unable to produce a number of its hormones, including thyroid. By actively regulating the endocrine system with a healthy level of iodine, sea kale can keep your body running smoothly and ensuring that all of your hormonal processes stay balanced. Fifth, weight gain. Although most health-conscious adults worry about losing weight, there are plenty of people who need to gain weight fast. The very high level of carbohydrates means that the sea kale can help you put on weight fast, particularly after excessive exercise, illness, or recovery from an injury or surgery. The final word of caution. There are no known dangers to the plant, although be careful to only store balanced leaves for extended period of time, as the stalks do not stay fresh for very long. They should be harvested and consumed relatively quickly. Other than that, enjoy this new addition to your dietary vegetable profile.